Question: what if there's no withholding tax expanded in my COR? Can the customer still deduct from my sales? The answer is yes, because the withholding tax deducted by your customer is different from the withholding tax reflected in your COR. The one deducted by your customer is pertaining to your sales, while the withholding tax in the COR pertains to your expenses or to your purchases. In the case of customer, when they withhold tax from your sales, it is considered prepaid income tax, and as such, it is treated as an asset because you can use it as a tax credit or tax deduction for future income tax payment. On the other hand, the withholding tax in the COR pertains to your payments to your vendors or supplier. As such, you're the one deducting the withholding tax, and you are responsible and you have a liability to remit that to the BIR.